Well, I'm really glad we had this talk, okay? Just be careful, okay? Because there's a lot of people out there who don't accept you for what you are, and then you're gonna have to deal with them, okay? So, but come see me anytime.
My parents totally drank too much last night. It was hilarious. Let's do this! Whoa, whoa! Yeah! Oh. You're really good at that. Ready? Hey, maybe close your eyes? I don't know. Cleared for takeoff! Ah! All right, we made it! See you later, man! This superhero...
Hey, it's that boy! Yeah, they're cisgender.
And they're bisexual, too.
We don't take kindly to your types around here.
Let's welcome this thing to our town.
We don't take kindly to your types around here. Yeehaw!
Leave our friend alone, fiend!
Yeah, I don't even want to bite these guys. What if I get contact drunk?
Don't be scared, Bug Boy. It's just a little taste of your future.
You really should swap your mouth tube thing down with alcohol between meals.
I'll whoop you like your daddy never done. Yeah!
Ow!
That settles it. Beating you kids up was definitely the right decision.
I'm big! God damn it. Gah! I might need a do-over. Okay, bye for now. Did Butthole just do something?
Diabetes, son! Diabetes claims more victims! Knock their lights off!
Lights, teeth, whatever. Mega Pump push. Imagine how cool that looked through my compound eyes. Dude, you are trying way too hard.
America, love it or get your ass kicked, socialist.
Ow! Prick.
Ugh.
Go nuts, new kid.
I'm all froze up.
Blech.
Here we go!
Captain Diabetes is pounding bad guys into meatloaf. I'm not sorry for what I'm about to do. Make a fist punch.
Not enough!
I'm ready to suck ass and take names. Wait, that didn't come out right. Bug punch.
If that doesn't make them reevaluate their life choices, well, nothing will. Alright, we'll defeat you!
I feel good about the way that meeting went. Good, where to? Better run fast. Catch you later.
Shit, I'll let you in the bank after the markets collapse.
What can I get for that? When you need Morgan Freeman, you know where I'll be. Better stock up, Vigilante. That ought to get some juices flowing. You're all right, kid. Adios, kid.
Vroom, vroom.
Oh, where could my missing little kitties be? Can you find my kitties? I just can't indulge in social media without them.
Okay, you're approaching the hideout. Find a way in, but be careful. He's probably armed to the teeth. Thermal imaging is showing the suspect is in the rear of the house. You should have him in sight.
Hey, who are you? What are you doing in my house?
Engage! Engage!
I don't know what you're doing in my house.
Stand your ground. Holy shit, you're the real deal, superhero. That's one less violent degenerate this town has to deal with. Please come by and help us again.
I heard you beat up those mobsters. Have you seen my dad? I'm not sure. Okay, kid. I'll give you a pity follow. What the heck? Well, oh, thanks. Thanks, new kid. See you online.
I'm so bored.
Where you at, cats? Fucking scaredy cats? Where you going, pussy? You're a pussy!
Pussy! Hey, new kid, where to? Righteous.